Samsung's cameras have pretty much looked the same for years, but maybe that's about to change. The Galaxy S27 series could be the time when Samsung totally changes who it is. The artist who made these new renders is Rakesh Chakma, who is known for sharing concept designs. Recently, some of his ideas have been surprisingly correct. It looks like Samsung is getting rid of those separate camera rings that float on top of the phone. The Galaxy S27 series is instead shown with a clean camera sensor that lies flat on the screen. It looks simpler, better put together, and less cluttered. Inside a smooth, rectangular island, the three cameras are set up in a straight line. This gives the phone a balanced and modern look. The metal finish and flat edges make the design feel like a complete change in Samsung style. Now let's talk about how well it works. The S27 Ultra is likely to have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 6 Elite, which was made using a 2nm process. That's very important. There's also good news about the battery. It is said that the device will have a silicon-carbon battery that can hold about 5,500 mAh. Perhaps not a very big number, but this new battery technology makes it possible for more energy to be packed into a smaller space. That means the battery will last longer without making the phone bigger or heavier. It's said that the Galaxy S27 Ultra will have a 200-megapixel ISO HP6 camera, but that's not the whole story. Something called low-light image technology is the real deal. This could make a big difference in dynamic range, giving you shots with brighter highlights, deeper shadows, and better balance overall, especially when the lighting is bad. The S Pen is the subject of another exciting story. There were rumors that Samsung might take the S Pen out of future Ultra models, but new leaks show that this is not going to happen. The S Pen might not go away. Instead, it might get a big improvement, possibly making its appearance on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. If this is true, it would be great news for people who use it to be creative and get things done. The Galaxy S26 Ultra put a lot of emphasis on AI. The Galaxy S27 Ultra, on the other hand, is said to return to something fans have been waiting for: pure physical power.